Real Talk. Did you know you can survive 3 weeks without food, pero 3 araw lang without water? Tama. Ganun kadependent ang katawan mo sa hydration. So kung gusto mong mabuhay, uminom. Wag lang ang alak ha. Water keeps everything moving. Dugo, nutrients, hormones, even emotions. Kulang ka sa tubig, hello headache, dry skin, low mood, brain fog. Kaya minsan hindi toxic ang tao. Dehydrated lang. But here's the deeper part. The things we actually need to live are simple, basic, and free. Tubig, hangin, pahinga. Pero kadalasan, sila pa yung nakakalimutan natin. Ang dami nating inuuna. Trabaho, problema, kapabayaan. Pero minsan, inom lang pala ang solusyon. So today, before you fix your whole life, maybe drink water first. Baka doon magsimula yung clarity, healing, at energy. This is your Health Real Talk, reminding you that survival isn't complicated. Just stay hydrated. Ako po si Arlene para sa Health Real Talk. Have a nice day, everyone.